Hello guys, how is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good and welcome to another reaction video. By the way, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ronnie Lo. Nice to meet you and welcome, and thank you so much for dropping by here again. And of course, to our new subscribers and returning subscribers, hello, shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I really appreciate it. Yeah, so for today's video, I will be checking it out another suggested video from our commentators out there. Hello, shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for your suggestions. Yeah, so it would be Diana's performance again on the Russian mass show, but I'm not so sure if this is her last performance or this is her first performance. Yeah, so it would be Diana Ankudinova performing the song entitled Fly on Wings of Wind. Yeah, so I hope you will join me again on this reaction video. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before we go further, I really appreciate if you could consider clicking that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button as well for you to be notified every time I'm going to upload new videos, and it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so let's get started. So in 3, 2, 1, boom. Ooh. I can hear the applause of the audience. Yeah, it is Diana Anкудинова who is singing behind this mic. You hear that? Oh, that judge says, "Wow." Ooh, what an epic. Well, I'm not so sure what was the reaction of the judges over here. They says wow, and they were shocked again with her performance. But from the first note, I can really say that it is Diana who is singing behind that mask. But it's also good to hear that she is singing it in an operatic style, and that was really a magical voice again. I can see that the judges are amazed. Such a relaxing to listen to her voice. There's so much going on the stage. Such a nice to watch. That's all. Okay. It's a little bit short. Yeah. Well, anyway, what an excellent performance again from Miss Diana Ankudinova, and what nice to hear her singing in an operatic style. Yeah, so that was really a great voice again from Diana. Such an enjoyable to listen, and of course such an enjoyable to watch the performance, and of course the backup dancers over there. And as you look at the judge or the host as well, they were even surprised as well with her performance. Yeah, such an excellent performance indeed. Yeah, well done, Miss Diana Anкудинова. That was really a great. I really enjoyed again this time, and well, hoping to see more on the performance of Miss Diana on the mask show, Russian mask show. Well, that's it for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this reaction video, and if you do so, please don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe, and we'll see you again on my next video. Stay safe, God bless to all, and bye for now.